Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life 2 and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the final season 3 of The River from the 1st to the 5th of February 2021 on Monday. The Mokwene's family is concerned when they notice the ongoing tension between Morena and Angelina. The festivities at the Dikana household are underway when one of them received shocking news on Tuesday. Tumi must choose between upholding the truth or gaining power. Angelina fights hard to hold on to her dirty secret on Wednesday. Tumi is visited by her past just as her life starts to change for the better, and Cobra gives Angelina an ultimatum on Thursday. Everyone prepares for the big day while Tumi starts to feel like more of a Mokwena than Dikana on Friday. Lindiwe fights with everything she has to make sure that her secret remains in the dark. Guys, that is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. If you want the full episode, please let me know on the comment section. Bye.